What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Y'all, I got a new smart doll. Ever since I heard about the release, I have been saving up because smart dolls are pricey, with dolls priced at 52,000 yen, which currently is about $340. The pair smart dolls cost a little more at 65,000 yen, which is about $425 US. And then you got shipping and handling and all of that. So it adds up. And these dolls are pretty large, standing around 24 inches. I buy my dolls from the Smart Doll website. They come in two categories, semi-real and anime. Currently, my whole collection is semi-real. I rehomed my two anime dolls, these two right here, to my mom, so the dolls I have in studio are Nostalgia, who might look a little different because I changed her hair and eye color, and I renamed her Troy, after Counselor Deanna Troy from Star Trek. Then I have Genesis, who was my first semi-real doll, and I renamed her Philippa, from Star Trek Discovery. This is Reflection. I think she's wearing Nostalgia's wig, and we renamed her Sydney from Picard. Yes, there's a Star Trek theme. Any guesses on her new name? If you guessed Beverly Crusher, then yeah! Originally, I named her Seven, as in 7 of 9, but then I went with her original wig, so now we're calling her Beverly. And this is my pair smart doll, who I renamed Michael, as in Michael Burnham, from Star Trek Discovery. So in my collection, the skin tones that I have are Cocoa, Tea, and Cinnamon. And the newest member to our crew is right here. And I am so excited! Okay, we have to very carefully open this box, which is made of some pretty thick cardboard, so okay, I think we're good. And here we go! There is a canvas bag inside. Be seen with Smart Doll. Okay, let's get to the doll. Here is the doll, and she's covered in plastic. Oh, I gotta take this out first. And now we can take out our doll, which is the semi-real Smart Doll, Deliverance. Right out of the bag, the doll that I bought comes fully assembled, priced at 63,900 yen, which is about 418 US dollars. The top of her skull is orange, and it is removable. Here is a look inside, and you can change the eyes. This doll comes with brown eyes, thick eyeliner, and rosy cheeks and lip color. And she has the new skin tone, coffee. She comes dressed in undergarments, looks like a gray and orange sports bra that crosses in the back, and matching undies. On the band it says, "With Smart Doll, the future is in your hands." Inside the box, there's a card with some do's and don'ts. When I bought my doll, it was in a bundle. It was the only way I could get her, so I ended up with a second bust. On the website, it does say that if you want a single doll, you just gotta wait. Which in hindsight, I probably should have done. This doll comes with a wig. It's packaged separately in a plastic bag, and we're just gonna take a look. It looks pretty similar to Nostalgia's, but the color is a little darker. The tracks of hair are sewn onto a cap. It has a part. Now we just need to place the wig on the doll, which seems pretty sturdy, while I am trying to gently tug it into place. We get a telescopic stand where we can adjust the size. There's another joint up here, however, it does take a little bit more work. The stand attaches in the doll's back to help her to stand. This is a very tall doll. I placed a Barbie next to her for a little size comparison. And her skin tone is kinda close to one of the new Barbie Looks dolls. These dolls are articulated with movement at the head, and they have pretty good range. Their chest is pretty flexible. There is articulation under the bust. They have movement at the shoulder, a double joint at the elbow, and the wrist. The hands can rotate, and they are removable. They can move at the hip, knee, and ankle. Many of the joints make clicking noises. I make sure to handle with care and pay attention to the joints. Since these dolls come in their undies, I do need to find her something to wear. I bought this Our Generation set from Target. It's called Snuggle Up and it is made for 18-inch dolls. We tried some Our Generation clothes on our pair doll, where some fit better than others. Just looking at this set, I think the top is going to be large. But since they're PJs, maybe it won't be so bad. Normally for smart doll clothes, I go right to handmade. But in the comments, some of you wanted to know if there were some in-store inexpensive options. Today at Target, a lot of the toys were 25% off, so you could get this at a deal, if it works. This set includes a pair of pajama pants. They're white, blue, and salmon. They sit low on the waist and go just past the knee. I'm okay if they are a little short. Usually when I'm photographing my smart doll, I am holding the doll by the lower part of the leg anyway, and they look like comfy lounge pants to me. The included shirt is white with a blue dog graphic on the front with a little crown. The crown has a little glitter, and the sleeves are a little short. However, I think this totally works as PJs. And there's a fuzzy robe with a belt stitched in the back. This set has a suggested retail price of $14.99, and the hood fits. And I think it looks super cozy. The arms are a little short, and it stops at the upper thigh. But I think it works. And according to Target Circle, Our Generation will be on sale November 12th. But Illy Forever was 25% off today. This Winnie the Pooh onesie was $11.99, but I got it for $8.99. Love the simple packaging. Again, this outfit was made for an 18-inch doll, so we don't know how it's going to fit. It's a fuzzy fabric for the most part. It looks white on the inside, but the seam allowance does let in a little color. It velcros in the front and was pretty easy to get on the doll. Again, the legs are short, but the arms almost make it to the wrist. The neckline is a little wide, but not too bad. But what about the hood? Does it fit? Oh my goodness! The hood is definitely large. There's an opening in the back for the doll's hair, but I think it looks pretty decent with the hair in front as well. Actually, I think it's kind of cute. And Illy Forever makes a Stitch onesie, but that one comes with a doll. If you're looking for another fashion pack option, there was a Minnie Mouse. But I'm always worried about staining, so I went with Winnie the Pooh. I also picked up a Sully from Monsters, Inc. inspired outfit. Regularly priced at $14.99, I got it for $11 and some change. It comes with a pair of shorts that are too large, but if you don't mind a little tailoring, you can make them fit. Then we have shoes that are too wide, so you might need socks. And a pretty thick sweatshirt that velcros in the back and has a working drawstring. The sweatshirt is oversized, but the arms are long enough. There are cuffs on the bottom of the sleeves, and on the front there is a picture of Sully and it says current mood. It is a little bulky, but I love an oversized sweatshirt, so I'm gonna say yes. This set also includes a water bottle and stickers, which I think is totally usable with a smart doll. So here is my current smart doll collection. And our newest member's name is Lily from Star Trek First Contact. Thank you for joining us while we spent some time with our smart dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!
In my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me, doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.